Here, Daniel talking to you?
Grayson, what are you doing, buddy? He's goofing around, ain't he?
He's being a goofball. He's crazy. He's crazy like his uncle crazy. He's going to take off crawling any day now. Uh-oh, there goes the phone ringing again. Who keeps calling Grayson?
Bye-bye.
Oh yeah, he's going to start crawling any day now. As soon as he figures out that all he has to do is get on his knees. Where you going, Grayson? Why does Daddy have this on golf anyway? We need to change the channel. Oh, he's wanting to take off, Daniel. See, I'm wanting to take off and start crawling. Okay, I'm sorry. I know you don't like your nose messed with. What is it? Okay. Want to get up and walk around? Grayson, look at Mimi. You want to go walk around? Oh.